Ever thought of combining your love for baking with your love for dogs? Why not start a business baking treats for our furry friends? This guide is packed with information and a few puns to help you get started on this tail-wagging adventure. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get baking. Why bake dog treats? Baking dog treats is a positively brilliant idea. Not only do you get to create delicious, healthy snacks for dogs, but you also tap into a booming market of pet owners eager to spoil their pets. With more people looking for natural, homemade options for their pups, there's no better time to start. Getting started. The ingredients for success. 1. Do your homework. Before you start baking, do a little research. Understand what ingredients are safe and healthy for dogs. Common ingredients include 1. Peanut butter, a doggy favorite. Make sure it's free of xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. 2. Pumpkin, great for digestion and packed with fiber. 3. Sweet potato, nutritious and delicious. 4. Oats, a good source of fiber and easy on the stomach. 2. Whip up some recipes. Start with a few simple recipes and perfect them. Here's a basic peanut butter treat recipe to get your paws wet. 1. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. 2. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. 3. 2 eggs. 4. 1/4 cup of water. Mix all ingredients, roll out the dough, cut into shapes, and bake at 350 degree rev, 175 degrees C, for about 20 minutes. Your kitchen will smell terrific. 3. Test the waters. Let your dog be the taste tester. If their tail wags and they beg for more, you're on to a winner. Share samples with friends and family to get feedback. Setting up your business. From bark to business. 1. Name your venture. Choose a catchy name that reflects your business. Something like Pupcakes and Biscuits or Tail-Wagging Treats will stick in customers' minds. 2. Get licensed and legal. Check local regulations for selling homemade pet treats. You might need a business license and have to meet certain health and safety standards. 3. Set up shop. Decide whether you'll sell online, at local markets, or in pet stores. An online store is a great way to reach a broader audience. Platforms like Etsy or your own website can help you start selling. 4. Packaging and branding. Create eye-catching packaging that highlights the natural, homemade quality of your treats. Use possum designs and ensure the packaging is safe and resealable to keep treats fresh. Marketing. Unleash the power of social media. 1. Social media. Create profiles on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Share adorable photos of dogs enjoying your treats, behind-the-scenes baking shots, and customer testimonials. 2. Dog influencers. Partner with pet influencers to reach a wider audience. Send them samples in exchange for a shout-out or a review. 3. Local events. Participate in local pet events and farmers markets. Set up a booth, hand out samples, and get to know your customers and their pets personally. 4. Loyalty programs. Offer a loyalty program where customers get a free bag of treats after purchasing a certain number. This keeps them coming back for more. Finances. Bone up on the numbers. 1. Cost management. Keep track of ingredient costs, packaging, and other expenses. Pricing your treats competitively while ensuring a profit margin is key to staying in business. 2. Record keeping. Maintain good records of sales, expenses, and inventory. This will help you understand your business's financial health and make informed decisions. Conclusion. A possum future. Starting a dog treat baking business can be fun and rewarding. With the right recipes, a dash of creativity, and a pinch of marketing savvy, you can build a successful business that has tails wagging everywhere. For further details and delicious recipes, check out the link in the description. Happy baking, and may your business be positively successful!